Greetings, YouTube. I like to least back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And in this morning's video, YouTube, in this morning's short video, just a quick peek at the Quinault strawberry plants that we're currently growing in our front yard garden extended grow area. These are our now 3-season-old Quinault strawberry plants, YouTube, and every year they come back in spectacular array for us here, YouTube. And once again this year, YouTube, our Quinault strawberries are loaded, YouTube. They are simply loaded with strawberries. Some approaching the ripe stage, many not. Full of blossoms here for us here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, YouTube, and we're super excited about that. Again, every year they produce quite well for us here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. And this year, YouTube, this year is indeed no exception. That's our first plant, YouTube. This is our second plant here on the other side of our driveway entrance, YouTube, and it too is loaded with strawberry after strawberry after strawberry here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, YouTube. Just a quick peek at our ever-bearing, at our Quinault strawberry plants here in our front yard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you currently are watching this video on growing Quinault strawberries in our front yard garden extended grow area, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to put that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing Quinault strawberries at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Thanks for watching.